What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome to another movie. So my sister only like Obsession Part 1, so we dropped this one, but we are work on Obsession Part 2. But I need one actor or actress from Port Antonio, Portland. Just contact me on Instagram or TikTok. Anything you wanna have, me not have Facebook, but Instagram or TikTok, or wanna just comment down below so that we can just contact you or see how we can get a number, because we need one more person to just do Obsession to one different way. I want it's very special. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this. Remember, if you're new, please like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and thanks for your support from everybody. I appreciate it. Please do enjoy this. Ready for that work, ma?
Yes, and I'm almost late.
Oh, me did I ask anyway. Did you give money rent? Because you know so we can get 2 or 3 years already. And you have to give me money for buy meat for cook dinner for later.
Oh, you know, so I forgot about the rent money. I left it in the house underneath the pillow. If you look on my bed, you will see. And I don't have no money to buy the meat, but buy later, me make sure you get some.
You know, so I'm not too like go in your room because I know I say I take nothing else. But it's alright, we go look for. And that means that dinner not cook till you come later then.
Well, that's why I go to the bed for you.
Jan, alright, later, have a good day.
Alright, bye.
Bye, sister.
because I have one wedding for her.
Talking about that, remember say to my partner for pay now?
Yeah, man, remember, man, by later you get it for you lady tomorrow.
Alright, go and eat. I'm going to press this and carry come give you.
Alright.
Yeah.
You know, some day I do work, I say me a Congo.
So long I see you till you work and I want.
Yeah, man, I have to take myself to something, you know. So what I want for you now?
There, man, I work, I just say me I go. Because I have a photo shoot we go do wedding. So your sister down here there. I same place we live.
Yeah, man, I same place we live, man. Nothing change. You can't go and go look for her, you know, because I know, say.
Boy, you know, say nothing really. We'll go on again. A long time still, me like her a long time still, but you know, say, we kind of settle down here now still. But me could check her one day, Anyway, with me a hurry. So, we see her next time, because we now all go rush.
Alright, then later.
Alright.
Enormous continues.
Thank God you reach, because I'm hungry. But I see you coming to meet.
Meat? I go tell you say I carry no meat. I tell you say I go give you the money for the meat. So now I have the money for the meat. You can go buy the meat.
Ken, you really want me? If you go a shop go buy meat and you come from the road? But it ain't easy. You're going to have to put close to them because you like somebody teach something.
Well, we're going to be hungry if you don't go. Well, anyways, guess who me so today when I go work? See a little one time crush. Say him ask me about you and I say I don't give me no more come. Say I'm settled down now.
Which long time crush you talk about? Toga?
Yes, girl, him same one. You know anybody else?
And him a call look for me? Me have go fix up on something. You know how long me and him for that? Eh? Can't believe, girl. I wish what you saying.
A long time you and him for that. And this man tell me say him settle down in a relationship. But I don't know how to take a go. But we find out.
You know what we're at? Me we work my way in. Give me money, mama go buy me. Cause right now I'm hungry.
Girl, me are going to house street. Me soon come back.
Alright.
She said, Toga.
Enormous continues.
I go call lady and tell her I say me get tea. So you ready for eat some?
Yeah, I'm ready right now because I'm hungry. I ain't nothing from you.
Alright, let me go on my food and make her get some for eat.
Alright, do that.
Yeah.
Enormous continues.
I figure I work, I can't stay here.
But me not say nothing sis, but rain a fall. You wanna get sick?
Well, I have umbrella.
And I really don't want to ask you still sis. I wish part you say Toga work.
Why you ask for that? I tell you, say one time I go work, I just buck up in him, he never tell me nothing. I never say where I'm going. Just tell me say I go work, I never ask him anything more. But why you want to know that?
Sis, me just want to see our little old friend and see how he's doing and see how life are going for him. I wish part of the booking up the road or down the road.
You want to see a little old friend? Me know how you stay now. So leave him. Well, anyways, up the road, I did book him up, but he was on his way going. Leave the man alone. The man same second in a relationship. Leave him alone.
Tell me which one you see him now up the road up there so?
Listen, I'm not telling you nothing. I am going to work. Bye.
Sis,
Enormous. Continuous. Get moving. Speed changes.
The rent receipt for last month. Come on if you open a bank account.
Yeah, my Avi, I want me put it again. Okay, see it here.
Yeah, cause me need it. Yeah, cause me need it for proof of address to open a bank account. So, where you look about breakfast already?
Yeah, your breakfast in the kitchen.
So, go feed to me and come back now.
You know, see a TikTok me there pan. You know what? Me go feed.
Yeah, cause I'm hungry right now. I need to go.
Enormous. Continuous. Get moving.
oh, what I'm talking, you know, say. And my sister, me did have, I just follow her, come right to us and me just look on the flowers them and something. Why go a long time I don't see you?
Okay. All of them there, your sister for you, know. Nice to see you, though, man. You're looking good.
Yeah man, she did tell me nice to see you too.
You always look nice, though, but I go now, so what you been doing since lately?
Well, you know, so me I work do but me kinda depend leave now. Me get 3 weeks leave, so me just stay up, clean up your house and I tidy up also. And how are you? How you been since you look real nice?
Yeah, man, me just go and take a rough life easy, you know. Yeah, so me now I look a rush to go to work. So let me get the number now.
Yeah man, sure you can get my number. Let me get your phone now.
Enormous. Continuous. Get moving.
Evening. I want to.
You come like through my walk in the rain, it start at me. The rain there falls, really fall that kind of juice.
Alright, let me get one pill for you and some tea. Can me tell if you tell us to stop out. You never have an umbrella? I'm gonna go feed for you.
Alright.
Go and lay down. See, some tea. Pure. Drink your tea and then I take it pure.
No, I don't like drink tea. You couldn't carry some water.
So this is water, but the tea gonna make you feel better.
Let me take a pill first, the water, and put on tea.
You think water can make you feel better? Drink your tea. Me tell you, you're not here, you know. Drink the tea, cause water can make you feel better. You not get this till you drink that. May I see to it that you drink the tea.
You know, some me try to catch up before you go in. Oh, yeah. I'm tired. Watch you. I don't know. We are doing that this Sunday.
Evening.
Even
You cook?
no, me dey tidy up the place. Me sweep out the door. Rain come down. And me tidy up the whole house. Me don't cook nothing.
But me hungry.
Till me I go dash a garbage and see Toga. Buck Toga up the road and he take me number.
Jesus
So how you say
Christ.
have me woman?
Me tell you if you leave the man alone.
Me not drop the man a garbage. Me go dash and he see me and he say Kiera long time. I not see you right and he take me number. I just say I have woman.
So you just happy to book up in night.
Yeah.
I don't believe that.
Whatever. You go cook. Cause you me away and come cooking and I'm tired.
But me tired too. Alright then, alright. When we go cook.
Enormous. Continuous.
So tell me something. Why you not sleeping here last night? And who press your shirt? When since you start press shirt?
Me sleep in here, me sleep. I'm press my shirt because you lay down in the bed from morning, you know, say me have work to go. And you know, get up and press my shirt, look for my breakfast so I can get up and do. Somebody just get up and press it.
Hello, you have work 9 o'clock. What time now? 7 o'clock just gone. I want to know where you are going so early. You know, normally left the hours here either, you know?
I work, me I go. Nobody the argument.
Alright. Go and go get ready. Me go look for your breakfast and call your feet.
Enormous. Continuous.
Yeah, watch ya. Morning.
You have work today?
And when you dress up so hot I go this morning.
You can't ask big woman where them a go. Anyways, I write up a road up there so me I go collect something for one of my friends them.
Up the road. Dress so hot like 10 for your side. Friend. Anything you say me dear. I work me I go.
Work in a them there short. Me never see in a them there clothes. Something must happy wrong. Can where you go in a them there? I can't work. So talk and tell me straight where you go.
I'm going to my side hustle. Me can just anywhere me want.
Oh, so you get the half and I'll go do side hustle. Alright, go along later.
Okay.
Remember I meet for dinner.
You always want meat for dinner. Alright then later.
Alright. Why not do so long?
My girlfriend be up there make one they want to start argument. So you get one little bit caught up. So long time there?
I'm not really, but 6 to 7 minutes ago, I made a wonder why I take so long because normally I would have reached here already. But anyways, so what we are gonna do? Cause what time is your work again?
Now we're 9:30. No, 2:08 and now, so can you go and chat down your yard? I don't know where you want to do.
No, we can't go down to my yard.
Why?
Cause neighbor then chatty. Anyways, we know one nice spot where we can go and then do breakfast. We can eat and breakfast and then we can just follow your go work. What about that? That sound better.
So Shana, we say, wow, no. No girl, I'm there full up my man present. Can soon come from work? I'm cooking dinner, decide me there have the pan. Really? See me two girl, me call it back later. We manage.
Come dinner there.
You come in, you know, say evening, you know, as you start talking to me now, you can ask me for dinner. Well, since as you can ask me for dinner, then this, so no bother me.
I'm here that too.
You hear tone of voice you talk to me a while ago? You better allow me. You hear allow me, I do what me I do. Just go on like you not see me.
Everything over there. Everything.
Everything good. Go on out there, so go take up
Then
your
that
man.
man got everything.
You see how you stay normally, you come from work. We not have this problem. You ask how me do, and something now you just come in a contact. Things just different. Just
Right now, I'm not in an argument. So I just go share out my food and come back in and stuff. Because do what I do. Here I go up on the road and I don't eat.
do anything you want to do. Go on the road because me I come right back at you.
What?
Right back at you, me I come say anything. Any plans you have get cancelled.
Come here, my girl. My big, nice, clean, pretty sister.
Then I want to fly in your head now.
So something have to find me for me talk to my sister so nice?
Yeah, because what is
Come
this?
in, man. Come in. Come.
Alright, then may I come?
Come, man.
May I come? May I
Sit
come?
down. Like your glasses.
How about this one? How am I going to you?
Nothing. How you cook?
Well, may I cook some curry goat and white rice.
You can cook curry? Anyways, more or some. Can you get some?
You don't worry yourself. You will find out after you eat if I can cook here or not. Yeah, you can get some. You have to carry dish.
Alright, go. What?
Carry one dish.
No, I will buy a plate them in the kitchen.
Alright, mom, sorry.
Go on, my nice clean sister, big chef.
No, sir. Something definitely not something. Alright, me find out.
Alright, cook your food.
come up there.
It's pretty late. How you escape your wife or girlfriend or whatever?
I sneak out, man.
Oh, well, you know if you talk to Lou anyways, my sister asleep and she sleep dead and room there right this and she will tell me, you know. Even if she do here, she probably think I will neighbor when morning we are. So what we are gonna do tonight?
Anything going on, though?
So we can laugh and chat and just vibing. What's your nice breeze and something?
Yeah, man.
So, the first question I want to ask you, what you like do?
Babe. Babe. What you say?
Where you call up my name, Safa? Awa.
How are you there? What I do?
If you ask you that, what you did the last night?
You mean when me there? Me have one big man, you know? You ask Bush for me did the last night.
Well, you see, anyway did there, you can't go back. I'm tired of this. I done me done.
Yo, me just get up. Me not in an argument. You always bring some argument. Me not in it this morning. You know look about breakfast.
Breakfast so this so.
Still you can't come.
Kiera come. You see anybody where did there with last night, make them try come.
Taxi around Power Road, sis.
Taxi? Morning. Miss said, I had regular piece of sleep last night.
Pizza?
You the neighbor them? One bag of chatting and one bag of nice. Could I sleep? So annoying.
For sure? You know
Yes.
you're not in my deep down in my sleep. Deep.
So you not hear that and me hear it.
I must say you're near to the yard and I see so you're more feared than me.
Anything else?
So you never get to sleep good?
No.
I mean you go sleep for work.
Exactly.
Sleep on the work, I mean. Alright, go on, go up and sleep.
Alright, later.
Alright, sis. Then my mate. For dinner.
Alright.
Listen.
How are you go?
Listen to me. You see, since as you can appreciate me, I go find somebody who appreciate me. I tell you this, you not go find a next girl like me. And me and life, and me dead serious. One day, I know you're going to run come back, you know. You're going to run come back. But I swear to God, me not going to be available the time day. It was nice knowing you.
Nobody the phone.
Nobody, not even come near me. Don't even come near me. Listen to me. Me I leave. It's too late now. Me I leave. So me will give you a spare key and that's it.
Listen to me and say, man, put on back your bag, bring you this and left, sir.
But there's a left, sir. Listen to me. Just everything is what I want. Me leaving. And nothing can change my mind right now. Nothing can change my mind right now.
Go on here, go on here. Go on here. really come down to ask more and I really love for your movie.
I'm kind of confused. What do you mean moving with you? So I'm thinking already about your
Girl, let me have up there, she never ready. So I tell her if she go, she left. Me tell her she forgot her yard, she just left. So I don't know what happened. And I'm me alone up there, so I really, we talk now, so I really love this movie.
Well, that not sound bad, but you don't feel like say it too early because we've been talking about what? I don't really remember, but I feel like say that too.
A month, you know.
I feel like say that too soon. A month, yes, but I feel like say that too soon. So
Too soon.
Alright, so you are saying not too soon, but for me, I feel like
you decide now, you know. But I tell you, you don't have to decide now. You can think about it.
Well, I can't think about it more than love to, you know, but like 1 month and really long for me. Normally I like probably 2 months or so, or 3 months, then we can make up my mind because we don't really like go out and a right date yet. If we do go out, we have to hide and go to places where nobody will know your woman could see and someday. You understand? So when time we start go out and everybody can see, we expose to the public and say really, so we can know say, alright, you're into me, so we can move in.
I understand what I say, but me nothing say early. That I want me think. But you soon go out on enough date. You go on date because as I say, I'm me alone up there. I'm not there with nobody. I'm here talk now. You understand what I say?
Alright.
So you get where I sister, so I go up on the road, you're good.
Yeah, I will just think about it because this will be one big step even for me moving to also. So I have to just give myself a little time. I don't have a problem moving in as I say, I just have to give myself a little time to think about that. So that I'll think about it and I can also run it past my sister so where she can see this evening when she come. So yeah man, I'm good. Which one you go?
I see I can grab something for me because I'm kind of hungry.
Alright, and then we text you later?
Yeah man, just text me later and I go.
Alright, bye. I tell her say, Toga come down here this evening. Come to me before you come. He might tell me say him and the lady when they live with must have left and he want me to move in. So I tell him say that too soon or something. So we like me have to talk to him more. Cause me just talk to him for almost a month or not even close to a month and he want me to move in already and the lady just move out. So I tell him say I need a little space first to think about it and me talk to you about if you see what you think. Whatever. So, what's your opinion?
Well, I mean, that's how we always want someone to see why you go if I'm born now because that's what you've been wanting. So, my only advice is if you go or when you go, nobody go treat the man no way because me know how you stay. So you can't go, they go treat him like that. But other than that, that's what you've been wanting. So, go ahead.
Yes, sis, so just that.
When I understand that, me get that, but you know you have to tone it down a bit sometimes.
Alright then, we try.
Alright then. Well, go ahead.
Come on, we are going to go cook.
Alright.
It up me man, we closing up press cigar working one time now.
Why you link me so far? You know me check out come here last night so I'm tired. We are talk about iron clothes and look about breakfast. Do that yourself.
See me. Why?
You see, you can wake me up one
Yeah,
more
I'm bother
time.
with you.
Where can bother with me with? Go on and shirt now just plug in the air and when you hot. Me did I go on YouTube for some tutorial. So plug in
If
the
you
air
do
and when
that
you
then,
hot.
go and make breakfast.
What kind of breakfast will you make? Me not even know how to cook.
Mix it, alright. Me iron my shirt. When I go up on the road, I get some food. Yeah, alright.
That sound better.
You good?
Welcome, this is it. Well, this is it.
Not bad.
Can you sit down? You did just have to make me come meet you. You couldn't walk.
Well, from you move come up also with this money, you know, come with me, you know, remember your sister and that also. I just saw it come.
I'm not that in a sis, but you know, when time me there so, things different because I can get go out and so again and say yes, so then you're at in a town. And fear you are the far which part we used to live, so I'm not able to come this way.
So what one for him? When you be not treat you know when you come, you know how you stay.
Speaking of treat, you can't believe me say, this man want me to wake up 6 o'clock out of my bed for ironing work clothes. He want me to cook breakfast for him like me and slave. He want me to cook dinner. He want me to do everything. Me did tell him say I go up here for work like working idiot. Why not get one maid or something?
Then now that you say no for where did expect to happen?
Girl, me am sick and I tell me say me forget kill for him. You know foot and hand. You and lift up in under mother. Me can't deal with that something there. Me too hot for that something there, girl.
Well, I saw it go, you have to live with it.
Well, I don't know, but anyways, I can cook some food and when he come tell us, me tell him say, are you cooking? Because I can't bother with the cooking business. Plus, me have road figure tonight. And you know I love road.
Just this one time we help you, but are you give up your little freedom? Come and so, come slave to man. So you must know.
That's true. Come on, I'm going to show you the kitchen. When you go, just say, are you cooking? I make cooking.
Yeah.
What you baby for? What you? What do you?
Baby, I feel sick like more go hospital.
Just because you're sick, no mean say you have to go to the hospital. Get pill and tea or something. You know where kitchen there and you know which part in the hospital kill.
Go for them feel like I can't move, babe.
Go for what? You know tonight is Thursday. Roadblock. I don't have time for go for the pill right now. I just need to go get my clothes them iron and go bed and go deal with me ear. I don't have time for that. Go and go do that yourself. Go and do that yourself. Me you know walk the telephone 50 times, sir.
Babe, I can't move. Just go and feel pill and make some tea for you, please. If my ex makes it, I'll go for pill and water and go make tea for me already, you know.
Newsflash, this is not your ex, this is Kiera. I'm done tell you one something already, I'm done talk.
Yeah, play like that. Yeah, play like that. You have fun running. You like a fun man, you know, have fun and run. You see shirt I'm wearing this morning? Crush up.
And what?
crush up. You mean and what?
You think me a slave? You want
Where
me
you
to
come
pay
here?
you?
Where you come here to do? Watch Netflix.
Yes, watch Netflix. Fan my fingers so that I can get ready for go do and lay down. Thank you. And why you like have a fan? Let me see me heart turn on my fan, please.
You cook?
If me cook, yeah, I am if you be a slave or as a chef, or I am if you be your girlfriend. If you want somebody to cook for you and tidy up the place, you know where to go and get them. They have housekeepers. Me and I walk.
Listen me. Right now me hungry. So go look boss in the kitchen right now for me eat.
Me sure your hand never left up on there, mother.
Yo, listen me. Me need something to eat right now. So go in the kitchen, go look about something me don't know what in there. Me need something to eat right now. And if I saw you go move, it not go work.
Look here.
Yo,
I have road to go, me
thing
have party later, I'm not
What?
cooking nothing, I'm not
This
tired
part,
up
you
myself.
not go party. Sit down right there so me I talk to you. Sit down yourself. Listen to me now.
You know who
You
you are
see,
dealing
if
with?
I say I'm...
You know who you are dealing with? Do
Listen
you
to
know
me, listen
who
to me.
you know? Let go from me.
Listen to me now. You see, if I say I go move, it not go work because my ex-girlfriend, if I come home,
Go on and
dinner
get her.
today,
Go and get her. Go and
we
get her. You know what I'm
press a
saying?
morning time to
Go
go.
and get her. I am not your slave, so I'm not press no clothes for you. I'm not used to ironing anyways. When me grew up, my mother do everything for me. Me not go, are you going back to live with the mother or you want me to go back on the yard?
See, sometimes you know, why you take up, you know.
Yeah.
You know, someone talk to you about your sister though.
My sister, what my sister do now?
Your sister lazy. I never know she so she stay. She dey up a yard, she just want to on laptop right 3D, fan on. And I may pay bills them and everything, you know. She not even want to cook.
No. That not so like my sister because one time she up here, she wash, cook and clean. Every day she a map veranda like say, then set it on her. So, I don't know what go on there so.
Eh. She not even map. She not map out the room at daytime.
That not sound right at all.
My shirt to iron in the morning time and me have to get up and iron my shirt. Nothing she not do. She just want to go road at night time and come in back and sleep, eat and go back on road.
Well, that not really sound like my sister. But we talk to her few. I'm kind of running late for work now because me take up all of the work then when she left for me. But me will try remember to talk to her. Alright? Later.
Come on, just go over your side.
Alright.
You can look up in that place.
Where you come from?
You ask me where I come from. The cook food, give me ask me where I come from. No ask me where I come from, man.
12 o'clock in the night. And through me, no cook the food. You left and gone. And because of that, the argument, you just a come back. So you're there on the road the whole time. I look food in the night. Me a idiot. Where you come from?
Stop asking me where I come from. Me don't tell you, say, a food me go look. If you did cook, me would go up on the road. No way you ask me where I come from. You send me out. See how you treat me, I see him so me I treat you.
Oh, so through me go a road and you can't say nothing to me. You on a road and me can't say nothing to you. Is it alright here? Anything sweet you go sour you. Watch me here in another place. You see, since I say I want to play, me, I go up on the road now. I'm not coming back till tomorrow. So don't expect me to come. One time,
Go
and you
on,
will
man, go on.
So that
You
means
stay.
you're alone, I go sleep.
Me alone born. That you know, me alone born.
Yo, what going? You know there, man? We're gonna hold it off, you know. Boy, girl, everything alright, you know. How is your baby? Well, I'm kinda there, I know, but pick up crosses for myself. Remember one time I got to see the movie with my long time crush. Well, we like, but circumstances I couldn't talk. Yes. So, even India woman and the man who said if I come in yard, come back, say you can't come in with him, whatever, car. He would have really loved if somebody did it with him, kind of like below and whatever. Some say, alright, whatever. A movie with this boy want me for what? Girl, listen to me, son. He want me to wash, cook, clean. Wake up early in the morning, 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. The iron in work shirt, look more breakfast scheme. Like me asleep. Girl, me a hot girl, I don't have time for that. Plus, my boss every night with their party. How me when me come from party 5 o'clock, me wake up 7 o'clock. That a 2 hours sleep. Go iron man clothes. Man have auntie and lift up on them one. What? Girl, me not have time for that. And I talk about cook. When time I get my sister, I have to cook, because my sister could cook. So I have to cook when she want to come and start cook too. No, sir. When I come and some things, somebody go there where I do things with. Cook and hire and wash. Housekeeper or maid or something. Girl, we can't bother with them things there. Girl, we not even go to nobody. See how we call it here. I will see. Come out of food.
Oh no. No, why not?
Again? You left your phone to the right?
Tell about this phone thing every day, the phone. Go and look boss if you need.
I say, me and yourself, I mean the chef. Where do you come here for the chef to cook for you and clean and everything? Huh?
A woman job that in the day I do nothing, in the day I do nothing. So I say, why problem you have find problem to cook? And brush my shirt a morning time. And clean your house. You know I do nothing. You're not supposed to have no problem, you're not working. And I like say I work with pressure there upon you. You are going to do this, you are going to do that. You know, work, and me, and the breadwinner in here, so. Time when you're in your phone, you think me here, chat about walk with me and take up a slave and so. Time when you're in here, chat to cook, you can't cook.
We are chat to. What am I stop with?
Oh, yeah.
You can't cook either, because you couldn't cook, you wouldn't cook, and instead you have pressure
And
me
my
every
job
minute
that.
to cook.
Cook, you can't cook. You ever cook, give me something, give me.
You know what I do?
You give me see you buy one little macaroni and cheese, you look about.
I come out to your place and make sure so when time I come back tonight, if you're there, so just so I'm not coming here, so go see video.
Some of the three shirt pants and you just don't press it. Tell the boy, you know.
What you tell me about me, say?
You have to left my place right now.
You can't tell me that.
I'm tired of you know. I have to go and leave my place completely. I'm done with it. I'm done try.
Oh, so you come on my yard, right? Come beg me for
Listen to me, I say, man. I'm done. Leave my place.
I'm not going nowhere.
Leave my place. I'm done try with you.
You come on my yard, come beg me for come stay with you.
Listen to me. Leave my place.
I'm not come out, so you have to go draw me out of this.
Come on, man. Stop foolish, man.
Why problem? Tell me, why problem? Why
You
do you have
not
to leave?
cook, you not clean, you're there from mine, the whole day run fun, you not pay light, you not do nothing. Me come home, me hungry, you not do. Me just tired of you right now. When me sick, you not even want to give me, take care of me, nothing you don't want to do.
May I slave? You can't me come here to be a woman or to be a slave. Look here, me say, you take me from my house, boy, you want a woman to come stay like your next man gone. And me tell them never ready to you can't come your house and me not going nowhere.
A mistake me make, alright now me I put up to my woman, because she way better than you. Way by
I
far.
don't know, you just know that you never know that the time when you run out to woman because of me.
Man, just let me place here, man. See, if I left here, I don't want to come back here because see, I got work enough there, left key out there, so on the mat, when I come back enough there, I don't talk, you know, take up the key. Don't talk.
Home sweet home. You doing this? How you there? Oh, you're going to mommy. Anyways, I come back and I had to because apparently I told them I said I had but I not cook and I not do this for man. If I did the ex-girlfriend, she would have do it for him and I not take care of him when he's sick, so I forgot me yard. So he left go to work and I just pack up my things them. I wait till night and I know something and then we just come down so. But they are still. Alright, we're not going. Home sweet home.
I can't check me for.
You mean I can't check it from me, I can't check up on you because when you're gone, I'm just lonely up a yard.
You see, saying I say, "Oh, never know I use of a tail till it cut." At that, me no want you back. Me move on. You know, see, I look good. Me move on with my life. So you see, anywhere I did there, go on back. Me no want you back. Me don't even know where Eva do me yard yet.
No bother with that, man. You know me love you already. No bother with that. Where you going now? Can come from here and come cook some food for me?
If I'm me alone, you're dead for hungry. Me if you come up here and come cook, me used to be the nice girlfriend who cook and clean and do everything and please you. But I never want that.
The girl with you up on me yard, she lazy. She don't want to do nothing. When dinner for cook, she asks if she a chef. When me clothes to wash, she don't want to wash. She want me wash it. When me clothes iron to go to work, and me have to iron, me have to do everything. She never ready and me never realize. So me lose the perfect thing.
So me feel really sorry for you after all you put me through. Me feel really sorry for you at that for happen to you. Because when you have a good woman, you know make use of a good woman. At that for to sit there, I move out and all of a sudden you turn hard boy. Me not sorry for you none at all because I have a good woman and not make use of it. You know, I'm going to go about my business because I never have time for it.
end of the movie, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Please to comment your opinions down in the comment section below. Any mistake on this will make and we can help you out for correct it. Just comment it down in the description box. Down in the comment section. Also, what else? Subscribe to Kiera and Toga TV. So go there on the screen or link will go there down in the description box below. Stay tuned for the next movie. Big up on yourself.